Have you ever had a persistent problem that you try to solve repeatedly in the same way without much success? We do this because our brain tends to see things in the way we've always seen them. We often attribute the same causes to those issues, and then we try to apply familiar solutions. So when we face a complex problem, it can sometimes be difficult to think outside the box and find a creative solution unless we are encouraged to do so. Let's take Yuri's situation, for example. Yuri's consistently late for work, and this is getting him into trouble. Yuri believes this is a result of his difficulty sleeping. He's feeling frustrated that despite trying different ways to improve his sleep, he's still sleeping badly and arriving late for work. When Yuri tells Marcia about his problem, Marcia does what many of us would do. She gives him suggestions and advice. But Marcia doesn't know the complexities of Yuri's situation, so her advice might not help and might leave him feeling more frustrated. So how then could Marcia help? Instead of assuming Yuri is coming to her for answers, Marcia can take the role of a mediator by shining a light on Yuri's situation and encouraging him to think outside the box. One way Marcia can do this is by helping Yuri to reframe his problem. She could ask him to choose 5 keywords that describe his problem. Or she could help him rephrase his problem as a question. If Yuri's problem is, how can I get to work on time? Then it might help not to assume Yuri's difficulty with sleeping is the cause of the problem. By being allowed to talk, Yuri can explore other aspects of his problem. He might realize that his anxiousness about being late is what's causing difficulty sleeping. He may also realize that his anxiousness is related to his negative relationship with his boss. Marcia can use questions to push Yuri to examine his reality. Good questions can help Yuri dig deeper into his issue and truly understand the problem that needs solving. It can also be useful for Yuri to see things from different perspectives. Hypothetical what-if questions can free the mind from its usual constraints and allow Yuri to explore different alternatives with more positivity. In supporting Yuri, it's important that Marcia avoids giving advice because this can disrupt his own creative thinking. By asking the right questions, she can encourage him to solve his own problem his own way. When someone comes to us with a complex problem, we can encourage creative problem solving by guiding them towards their own answers, rather than trying to solve the problem for them.